Well, happy AI Thursday to everybody. It's our first one this year, and I'm excited today. And we're gonna last Monday we had a last Monday I think we had talk about in our mastermind about getting found on AI, getting found on Google right now, and I think it's gonna be even more this year, even more powerful, being found on AI. Okay. More and more people are using AI to find an agent that fits them. And so the difference, guys, with this is that ranking on Google is one thing, right? But ranking on AI, you could target it also like a long tail. So, for
Yep.
example, you could be very nichey, right? You could target like different languages, and so let's say I wanted to target Chinese clients that are using Chinese in ChatGPT. Well, I'll have blogs, right? And I have content that's written in Chinese, right? And that works with any topic that you guys have. Like what if you had clients that were very interested in dogs, right? And if you were specializing in knowing where all the dog parks are and everything, right? Everything dog, then you would get recommended, right? So it's not just ranking high on Google now, it's being able to be recommended by AI search engines. Okay.
Well, I think that is kind of the big thing that Kirby just underplayed a little bit, guys. Think about it. How much do you talk to your AI right now? So I want some screens on. Robert Brestovsky, or whatever the hell your name is, turn that screen on. Oh, Kuval, I'm glad you're here.
What? Where are
Free,
you?
there we go. Let's see some pajamas.
Hi.
Let's see
Yeah.
some. I didn't roll out of bed yet because I'm a real estate agent.
Oh yeah,
There
no,
we
that's right.
go.
Hi. That's me. I'm the problem. It's me.
That perfect. So here's the thing. Kirby just like slow play, understated, whispered what should be shouted about. Because right now, if you think about how much you use these programs, does anyone get a sense that it knows you? Does anyone think that maybe a little bit it can tell how to tweak its answers because it has so much experience with you? That's the thing, guys. If you look up statistically, it knows a ton about us. That much of the users in the world are using it compared to Google, YouTube, all the things. Keyword was currently. It is growing by leaps and bounds and it is scaling. So, what Kirby just tossed out there was this is ground floor. This is not, oh, hey, I'm like going to get in on this and, everybody's doing it. No, this is where nobody, if you're looking at the percentage of agents or just businesses in the United States or Canada, we love Canada, big heart. That's the thing. If you could go back in time and be Gary Vee and make your business running something on YouTube and you're starting that back in 2007, who would? Raise hands physically. I want to see it. Okay. All right. Couple people are okay with being Gary Vee. A little short for my taste. I'd rather be taller, but it's okay. I'm not going to judge you too much.